Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Nation. So this video is going to be a pickup video, or a more of a will it start video, because we're going to go pick up a Farmall M and a Farmall H. I've got a trailer here that I borrowed from a friend, more like rent it, because I had to pay $300 to rent it, but whatever. It's actually a really decent trailer considering I hadn't used in years. And then I've got my stuff ready to try to get everything going. I've got gas, generator, I got the winch right here, and I got some rollers here, because what's up with these tractors is that, so the H, as far as I know, should just basically start up and go and be able to drive on the trailer, but the M, either the brakes are stuck or the transmission's jammed. I don't know which it is, and neither do they. So we're hoping we can get that unstuck and then we can load it up and everything. But yeah, and we're all set to head out tomorrow. Danny's gonna be grabbing the, some other tools and some other stuff like that we might need, and and then it's a 3.5 hour drive up north to pick up the tractors, and then it's a 3.5 hour drive back home to drop them off. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow morning at about 6 o'clock. All right, so it's about 6:30 in the morning, and it's time to drive about a half hour to my brother's house, and then we have a 3.5 hour drive up north. So yeah, it's nice and quiet. Yeah. Running nice, and it just started right up with a battery and some gas, but this thing, oh, I'm not sure. We gotta, my friend's bringing his John Deere down here to try to pull it, but we'll see if we can get this thing moving. Try pulling it off before it gets done. He's still warming it up. So what we ended up doing is that we brought down the other tractor, pulled this out of its rut here, and a nice little rut back there. Then used the bucket of the other tractor to pick up this bucket, because of course as soon as we took it off its little concrete block that was holding this up, it just went right down to the ground. So we went with an old technique we knew, which was just shove something in between this and the end of the ram, and it's gonna stay up until at least we load it. Now the fun part is we're gonna have to just winch and push this thing up. Come this way. You're on the wheel, yeah. Tire? You're on the tire. You got like another good fist on this side. Alright. Alright. Yeah, you hit a bump that it's probably gonna hit this tire though. That should be fine.
That's not good.
Yeah, shit.
I need to be able to get this thing a lot moving forward.
Yeah, so we got them both loaded and we were actually able to get the brush hog, which we thought we wouldn't be able to get home. We were able to just barely get it because thankfully this swings down here and we're within the legal limit to have hanging over because you're allowed 3 feet hangover and these rails here go 2 feet. And if you look, we are pretty much maybe like 3 inches over, so we'll be fine. And yeah, as you saw, and we had to load by using the winch and the come along. I mean, hey, it worked great. It was so much better than just trying to use that dang 2,000 pound winch to move a 6,000 pound tractor. But yeah, we got that loaded and now we're just strapping down, checking air pressure because we had to raise the pressure on the tires. And then we got it strapped on that one and we'll be able to hit the road and get home. Probably just then unhook the trailers and I'll unload them by myself tomorrow because it's going to be kind of late when we get home. It's going to be dark. And I'm not screwing around trying to load this crap in the dark. I'll do it the next day. Yeah. See you on the road. Worst thing about hauling tractors? That's my fuel economy. Come on, focus. I need to watch the road. Focus. Yeah. Painful.
So I decided, I hope this is we'll see what happens to the audio on this, but I decided to take a little video for restoration page here. So I've got the rusty and crusty Farmall H that runs behind me on the trailer. Running my good old Dodge 1500. Close to 300,000 miles. Going pretty good actually. This trailer is 18-foot deck on it. And we're sitting about 20 feet total on it. Nothing to get out. That's a nice truck as well as tractor. And then we got brush mower. That is unhitched from the tractor and pushed as far forward into the tractor as possible to get it to deck. Less than an off 4.5 feet. Front tractor, 147 miles to go. We've gone about 160 laps. It's 5 miles a month. It's taking a pretty good time. So yeah, we're making pretty good time. But yeah, looking forward to getting this stuff unloaded. See what Mike decides to do with it.
Alright guys, so we've been on the road for a couple hours now. And to give you an idea how heavy this tractor is, alright? I've already told you it's 6,000 pounds. Let me give you an idea how heavy that is, okay? So my tires here are pretty much cold, right? They're pretty, they don't feel like I've been driving for that long. If I come back to these ones here, put my hands on them, these are actually hot. Like, they're actually hot to the touch. You know, obviously I don't have a thermal camera, so I can't show you how hot they are, but yeah, this thing's just heavy. Yeah. Just taking a quick rest stop. Everything's held on quite nicely. Oh, it's all nice here. Well, that's loose, but whatever. It's not going anywhere. Who am I kidding? It's not. All you have to do is stop from going forwards. It's not that heavy. I do think, though, he should probably redo this, but I mean, this thing isn't that heavy, and again, like I said, all it has to do is this is just on here for when we do send stops, because it's not going to fly backwards, because, you know, that's in the way. Yeah. If he wants to adjust it, he will. Otherwise, it's up to him. He's the one holding it. Actually, I think what happened is this moved backwards, probably. Yeah, I think this moved backwards. Yeah. I'm definitely unloading these tomorrow when I have light. So it's the next day after we got these, and I figured I'd give you guys a good overview of what I actually got. So I still haven't gotten the year for this Farmall H yet. I have to find where the VIN tag is on this thing and then do a comparison here. Actually, up here it is. Oh, that's gonna be fun to try to read. Let's see, can I'm gonna have to clean that to try to find the VIN number on that. This thing is, I mean, it's got a relatively good tune. It actually runs quite well. The only thing is that you have to leave the choke open to actually let it stay running. So this carb is going to be taken off and cleaned, and then it should run fine. Oh, wait, where's the where are the bolts? Oh, there's the button bolt. Okay. Yeah, but other than that, the only work I'm going to do to this thing is give it a bath, because it's got all this growth on it, and fix this wonderful farmer fix here. They literally just use silicone to seal this. But yeah, I'm gonna have to weld that properly, which I can do now because I own a welder now, finally, and also I can do that for a living. But yeah, so that needs to be fixed there. And other than that, this thing's probably just gonna get a bath and stay patinaed like this. What does that say? Let's say the Beast. Looks like it says the Beast. I'm betting you that was Chris. he did that, definitely. Yeah, it's got a nice little small toolbox on the side here. I don't know if I'll keep that. I might. Yeah, it's the better one of the two in all reality, because it actually, you know, just to, you know, clean it up and keep it nice and rusty. Because, you know, keep these things original and they are worth a bit more, but it's nice to have a nice painted one every now and then. I don't know. Honestly, I might paint this one up. It is pretty rough, but whatever. $500 for 2 tractors. I mean, so $250 for this thing. It's worth the price I paid for it. And then we got this heavy beast, the Farmall M. Honestly, this one's peanut is slightly better, but I don't understand why this is all blue up here. I'm not sure if like someone took a spray can and painted it blue or something. I'm not sure. And I mean, it has the bucket on it. So if you take this off, it's your standard manure bucket. And then I also got the wider bucket attachment over here. We could not get this thing to start, and there's something wrong with something inside here. We're not sure if it's the clutch or what, but we actually couldn't get the clutch to engage to try to pop it into gear to keep it from moving, or to try to pull start it. So something's wrong with the clutch there. The clutch might be frozen. Yeah, and then this bucket here, it's got all these cracks here that I'm going to repair. We got a gnarly one here, goes all the way there, through the existing weld someone tried to do. And even their little splice here. Huh, I wonder if this is actually original here. I don't know. I have to clean it to get a good look at those welds to see if I think they're original. I don't know, especially because there's porosity in these welds here. Yeah, that's gonna have to be repaired. And then on this side, there's another big crack going all the way here. You can clearly see it. It's going all the way through there. Is it going through on the other side? Not on the pipe, but on this it definitely went through all the way. Alright, so on. Yeah, and another, and of course, it's right where they didn't put a splice. I actually think these were done by somebody else afterwards. Oh yeah, that's what came with this. This plate's actually clean. Oh no, that's not the plate. The plate's here. And it's kind of dirty. Let's see, I think that's, let's see, it's 150741. That is the VIN number. So then I can tell what year this thing is. And I'll probably put it at the bottom of the screen right about now. Came with all this extra weird little wiring on here. Hydraulics and all that. And then it came with, they both came with this brush hog here. That was on the H. Can you see the blade? Where's the blade? That's a, oh, I see, it's a centrifugal force style blade where it goes wider. Okay. Yeah, and again, I just gotta love the welds on this thing. I mean, let's just take a look at some of these absolute beauties of welds on this thing. Salting my field of work is what these are. Let's just take a look at some of this beautiful, look at that. Oh, isn't it just absolutely beautiful? It's disgraceful. And these are all lovely and rough here. Yeah, so I don't know, I can maybe get $100 selling this thing. I mean, it still works. That's all that matters. Yeah. So that's what I picked up. And you'll definitely see a video of me trying to get this thing started here. Because, you know, from what my one friend was saying, this thing should be able to, I've seen it, I saw it running probably like 5 years ago. So I feel like maybe I'm gonna have to maybe change out, well, I was gonna change plugs and wires on everything anyways. Maybe the coil might be bad. Obviously these are all gonna need carbs cleaned. You need, it's just general tune-up maintenance. Oh, what the? Yeah, how do I repair my crank? It's just, oh yeah, you just put a bolt in it. Fix this. And then this appears that it might have literally, no, maybe not. Maybe this actually is an aftermarket part here. Because of the way these are here on these sides here, this might actually be an aftermarket part that is inserted here, but it's definitely not supposed to be secured on with wire. I've talked to my other guys in my groups about this stuff. But yeah, I mean, on the bright side, they have good tires. This one does. The other one's tires are kind of bald. But yeah, that was a very long day taking out these and going through my back trying to load up this thing and all that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.